Hi, everybody. I just want to make this quick video to show you how you could order the Isagenix off of my account. It's really, really easy. So what I want you to do is just go to your browser, and I want you to type in up here www.jetsmart.isagenix.com. You heard me right, JetSmart, okay? Go in there, and then this is my website. So you'll know this is my website, that in the upper left-hand corner, you're gonna see Detox Stew, and you're gonna see JetSmart.isagenix.com. This way you know it's my website. If it says anything other than this, I don't want you guys to order, because then you're going to be ordering off of somebody's random website, and we don't want you to do that. We want you to order off of my website. This way you can be on my team. I do get credit for it, number one, but number two, I want you on my team. So there's a lot of perks to being on my team. I am a certified nutritional consultant, so once you order and you're on my team, you will get personalized coaching and support from me. I'm going to put you into a private Facebook group where in here you have a whole team dedicated to your success that's going to help you with any challenges you might have, and also to celebrate your success. In that private Facebook community, I do weekly Facebook Lives educating you guys on nutrition and fitness, and throughout the year we do special contests and promotions too. So it's a lot of fun. If you have a minute, just watch this video here. This is a cute couple. They are chiropractors. They tell their Isagenix story. I love their story. It's amazing. So if you could do that. But anyway, you want to start ordering right here. This is what I suggest. If you just scroll down, and I put this here on my website for a reason, because these are the 3 packs that I highly recommend to set you up for success. So of course, the 30-day premium pack comes with everything you need for success plus more. So it comes with a blender. This blender is great, by the way. It's one of those bullet blenders, but it comes with your 30-day system, but it also comes with a box of chocolates that I recommend with your cleanse day. It comes with a box of bars, which are meal replacements, just like the shakes. I love to throw them in my purse. This way I'm not hungry on the go if I get stuck. It comes with a box of whey thins, which are great snacks throughout the day, 100-calorie snacks. And it comes with a shaker cup, which I love, great for on the go. And it comes with e-shots. E-shots are like those 8-hour energy drinks, but they're only healthier because they use, I think it's yerba mate, I think that's what it's called, and green tea caffeine. So I love these when I'm flying, especially with these 5 a.m. sign-ins. So this is the pack that I highly recommend. This, I think, is about $12 per day, the cost of this. If you can't do that, do the 30-day system. So it's just the 30-day with no bells and whistles. So you're going to come with 4 canisters of shakes, enough for 4 cleanse days. It's going to come with a bottle of Ionics, which I call that my Bionic Supreme. You guys heard me talk about that. And then it's going to come with a cleanse support. It's going to come with your snacks, natural accelerators, and IsoFlush, which also support you on your cleanse day. If you do get the 30-day or the 9-day, I recommend that you add a box of chocolates. So we will be talking about that later on when I show you how to order. But those chocolates that are right here, they are your saving grace on your cleanse days. They don't come with any of these packs. I make everybody order them, because what happens is on your cleanse day, you're not eating, you're drinking nothing but the cleanse juice, you're eating these Isagenix snacks, which are which you have to. They are not, you have to, so you can't skip them. And what the Isagenix chocolates do, although they taste like a Godiva chocolate, they are filled with antioxidants and amino acids. One chocolate has enough, as much antioxidants in it as a bowl of blueberries. So they're very, very healthy for you, but mostly they help curb your appetite. So when you're cleansing and you're not eating, those chocolates are good. And I've had a lot of people, you know, tell me that they want to save the cost. They don't want the chocolates. And on their cleanse day, I'm driving over to their house, giving them a couple of chocolates because they're climbing the wall. So again, I do recommend those chocolates. And then this 9-day system. So this 9-day system is bare bones. It's going to come with 1 canister of shake, enough for 4 cleanse day. 2 cleanse days. And it's going to come with natural accelerator, which supports you on your cleanse day, and it's going to come with those snacks, which are not optional. Okay, this is the pack. If this is something that you guys don't want to put the cost out for, I get it. This is the pack I recommend. I'm not a fan of this pack because it is $148, and you just don't get bang for your buck. You know, if you compare it to these other two, yes, these are more expensive. I think this is $278 and this is $3 something, I'm not sure. You get more bang for your buck here compared to what you're getting here, but this is the least expensive. You know, this seems like a lot of money because you're paying for 60 meals right up front. You're paying for, you know, 30 days worth of food and vitamins, 2 shakes a day, plus cleanses and all those vitamins. And you're paying for it up front. I mean, if you had to go food shopping and pay for 60 meals up front, you know, it is a lot of money. So it does seem like a lot. I totally get it. It, you know, comes out of your pocket at once instead of a little bit. But if you, you know, reduce it to the ridiculous, it only comes out to like $3.80 a meal. But if that's something you don't want to do, I highly suggest the 9-day. So let's say we're pretending that we're going to go ahead and order the 9-day. So click here to view, and it'll show you 2 prices. It's going to show you the retail price and the sign up and save price. So click up the sign up and save. Now, you're going to have a few choices here. So this is what I recommend. They want you to pay an annual membership fee of $29 with auto ship. Now that $29 is like a Costco or a BJ membership. You pay that membership, it's good for 1 year, and you get your products at a discounted 25% discount for 1 year. It's $29 with auto ship if this is something you don't want to do. Now, you could always change that auto ship. Isagenix, unlike a lot of other companies where it's almost impossible to turn off the auto ship, is not like that. I recommend people do this on auto ship because the very next day you could call Isagenix and tell them to turn off your auto ship, and they're not going to give you any problem at all. They will ask you why, you know, and just say you just want to order what you want when you want, and auto ship is not something that you want to do, and they will go ahead and turn it off for you. So if you click down here, it's going to say show more options. Here's the other one. It's a $39 membership without auto ship, and you still pay that $25, and you still get that 25% off of the retail price. I don't recommend this because you could turn this off. But some people don't even want to bother turning that off, and they will pay the $39 yearly membership. Another thing you could do is you could do a customer on an auto ship, which I don't recommend, or you could just do a customer. If you don't know if you're going to continue to order, if you just want to do a one-shot deal and just order once, this is what I recommend, okay? There's no annual fee, and you're going to get a 10% discount off the retail price. So let's click customer, and then we're going to click on next. Okay, so you see that the 9-day, that if you were a preferred customer and paid that $29 would have been $148, but it's $177 now. Okay, so go down here, and this is how you're going to select anything. You're going to select your shake flavor. So let's go over that. Here are all the different shake flavors. I love the peach mango. Oh my gosh. So instead of ice, I use frozen mangoes in my shake, and for that peach mango shake, it's so good. Creamy Dutch chocolate I love. Of course, I love the French vanilla because you could add frozen fruit to it. Strawberry cream I love. I love when you make a shake, you're going to do you're going to do 2 scoops. So I like mix and matching. I do like, sometimes I'll do 1 scoop of the chocolate, 1 scoop of the strawberry, and it tastes like a chocolate covered strawberry. I just love it. And a great way to mix everything up. You can order chocolate mint, which I absolutely love. Tastes like a Girl Scout cookie. Or they have dairy-free shakes. Now, their dairy-free only comes in chocolate and vanilla. I don't recommend these unless you have a dietary, challenge, and you have to do dairy-free. But, even if you're lactose intolerant, the lactose in these shakes are almost none. And unless, you have the strict dietary restriction, I don't recommend the dairy-free shakes. But a lot of people like them, and a lot of people use them for diversity also. You could also order a kosher shake. Now, the kosher shake only comes in vanilla, and these are the Isopros. I don't suggest these for you to start. What these are, these shakes right here are meal replacements. This is not. This is just pure protein. Now, I do use this if I'm making a smoothie at home, if I do, just spinach, frozen strawberries, half a banana, coconut water. I'll always do a scoop of the pure protein just to add protein to it. I also do, if I'm eating oatmeal, I add a scoop of the vanilla protein to my oatmeal, again, to add protein to my meals. But to start, I don't recommend these. I recommend one of these shakes. So let's say we're going to order the peach mango. Go over here and it's going to say select packaging, okay? The peach mango only comes in a canister. So let's check something else. Let's see. Let's do creamy Dutch chocolate. So you have a choice here. You could get canister or packets. Now the packets are a little bit more money, so I always suggest getting the canister. Now if you're traveling, and nobody travels more than me, people like these packets, but for me, I just put 2 scoops in a baggie and I'm good to go. So I just don't see the sense in paying for these packets, but again, it's up to you. So let's choose canister. We're going to choose our Cleanse for Life drink. This is our cleanse that we're going to be drinking on our cleanse day. Now you could get it in powder, you could get it in liquid, or you could get it in little 2-ounce liquid bottles. This little 2-ounce liquid bottles are great for traveling, but if you're not traveling, I highly, highly suggest the 32-ounce bottle and not the powder. I just think it's easier, and honestly, I think it tastes better. So let's say we're going to do the 32-ounce bottle. Now you're going to do these Isagenix snacks that I told you were non-negotiable when you cleanse. When you cleanse, you cannot just drink this cleanse drink and that's it, because we're not fasting, we're cleansing. So what these snacks do is they make sure your blood sugar doesn't drop, and they make sure that your metabolism doesn't stop. So these are non-negotiable. Okay, you're going to eat up to 8 of these during the day. It's going to come with your little guide when you get your package, and then of course I'm here for you, and I have all kinds of information for you guys. So the snacks I like, and I call these my Scooby snacks because they're little wafers, is I like the natural chocolate. You do have other flavors. You could order the vanilla, or you could do the kosher-free dairy, the wild berry. So that is dairy-free. You know what? It's okay. These wafers are not, they're just okay. They're not something you're going to be like, ooh, I can't wait to have a wafer. But when you're hungry and you're cleansing, they are, you know what? You just let it melt in your mouth and they're good, and they're going to curb your appetite, okay? I like the chocolate. Although I love the vanilla shake, I think these vanilla wafers taste like chalk, and this has a little bit more taste to it. So again, it's up to you, but let's say we're going to order the natural chocolates. So this down here, as you could see, doesn't have an add button because these are optional, and of course this is going to get your pricing up. So I highly recommend, like I said, if you're cleansing, that you add these chocolates. There's 30 in them. You're gonna have a lot left over. I love these chocolates. Like I said, although they taste like a Godiva chocolate, they're not. Full of antioxidants and amino acids. And also I like them just as a snack. You know, say you want something sweet, I'll pop a chocolate in my mouth. I think it's only, I want to say 50 calories, but it could be a little bit less. I'm not sure, but I will definitely go back and check that. But if, say I'm having an early lunch and a late dinner and, you know, you're hungry in between, I just pop a chocolate and drink some water and I'm good to go. So these chocolates come in different flavors. You could get dark chocolate, you could get milk chocolate, you could get dark chocolate with mint, or you could get milk chocolate with sea salt caramel, my absolute favorite. Okay, other options that you have in here is the e-shots, which, you know what, you don't, if you're just ordering the 9-day and you need to add something, I don't recommend these. I do recommend these chocolates, or you could order a 5-piece sample pack. But again, if you're cleansing, I recommend the chocolates. So let's say that we're doing the milk chocolate sea salt caramel. So you're good to go. These are the natural accelerators that come with your cleanse, your 9-day, which is really an 11-day. It says 9-day, but you're doing 2 shake days before you actually go into the program. So that whole package lasts you 11 days if you're doing 2 shakes a day. If you're doing 1 shake a day, it's going to last you 2 weeks. So it's going to come with a system guide and your natural accelerators. Now, these natural accelerators, I love. That's exactly what they are, natural accelerators. There's nothing, there's no stimulant in here. There's ginseng, there's apple cider vinegar, there's peppermint, there's cinnamon. They're natural thermogenics that help boost your metabolism. So I absolutely love these. So those come with your program. You're going to add all selections. It's going to come to 1, and you're just going to add it to your cart. Okay? And then you continue to sign up right down here. So this is where it's going to want you to put all your information. From here, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Just put all this in and hit next. It's going to ask you what to do. It's going to ask you for a username and password. What I usually do with my username is just put like J Kalbaka. But if your name is Kathy Smith and you just put K Smith, it's probably not available because that's a common name. So just whatever username and password you use, make sure that you write it down and it's something that you're going to remember, okay? Because you're basically going to have your own account now where you could just go in and order. Okay, so that's it. Put in your information and put next. So say you don't want to order any of those packs. You just want to order individual things. So let's go back. Just go up here and then see under all these, it has individual products. So these are the solutions Isagenix has. So performance, we have a great sports line. A lot of athletes use these. I use the Recover after I work out. They're just branched chain amino acids, which are really good. So this is great if you're working out, and great support for your system. Of course, the pure protein, the e-shots, the Nox. I just love these. This is what this does is it boosts your nitric oxide production. I usually take a shot of this in the morning because it just brings oxygen to your muscles. So again, you know what, just go through here. You guys could browse and find out about stuff. There's a lot of videos in here. Vitality and well-being, these are just other packs. And then essential oils, I love these essential oils. So if you're into oils, you could order any of these. And then their skincare system, which I absolutely love and I use every day. But so say you just want to order the cleanse. So hit individual products. All right, and this is everything individual. You could just go down here. So say, I just want to order the cleanse. I click right here. Remember we chose the 10% customer, sign up and save. Please select all options. It says 2, I only want 1, and I want, so hit that. Don't know why it's doing that. Sign up and save. Please select all options. That's so weird. Oh, up here, duh. Okay, options. Please choose one. All right, so like I said, I like the 32-ounce bottle. Um, we only want one bottle of those. Sign up and save. Okay, and then it's going to ask you what you want to do. You want to be a preferred customer for $29, best value, or you just want to be a customer, get 10% off. We're going to click that. And then we're going to go to next. And then we're going to click 1 or 2 or 10 or however much you guys want. Continue to sign up. And you put in your information. Okay, so I hope that makes it easy for you guys. I know with everybody's schedule, I don't want to hold you guys up on ordering, and I just wanted to show you how to do it. Again, please, please, you guys, make sure that Detox 2 Jet Smart Isagenix is in the upper left-hand corner. All right, hope that helps, and always here for you, and I will talk to you soon.